Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the room management in the Smart Life application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the Me button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then click on the Home Management button. And then just click on the home that you created. And then click on the Room Management button. And as you can see, you can rename any room that you want. So you can set the living room's name to something that you want, and you can do that with each, like master bedroom can be just simply bedroom, and once you renamed it, just click on the save button, and then it is set. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.